Hey kindergarten. So I thought I would put together a little tutorial for you quick, just so we could practice muting and unmuting ourselves. With our new Zoom, I thought I'd be able to do it for you, but apparently we can't. So if you look here, I'm in a Zoom meeting with Mr. Scarecrow, and down here at the bottom is a mute button. So if Mr. Scarecrow is the teacher, I should be on mute. Okay, see how right here it says there's a red line through it? Now, if Mr. Scarecrow says, "Oh, Mrs. Jameson, unmute yourself," you go down here and you press unmute. And then Mr. Scarecrow can hear me, just like Mrs. Jameson will be able to hear you. All right, so I want you to practice that. In our next Zoom meeting tomorrow, I'm going to have you practice muting and unmuting yourself. So again, right here, click it, mute. Click it again and it's unmute. The other important thing is right here. This is the leave. So when the meeting is over, I'll end it most of the times, but sometimes you'll have to click leave. And that's here. And all you do is you click it and then you're out. All right, I can't wait to see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night.